Alright, so here's an interesting padlock I came across on eBay, and I've always wanted one of these. This is an American lock MS100, manufactured in March of 2005, so it is pretty old, about 10 years old. And this is the barrel type American lock, stamped US. And this is in pretty good condition. I think it was sitting in the box for a while. And it's just a 5-pin lock, brass shackle, and it has drain holes. There's no way of taking the core out. It's key retaining, and then to get the key out you have to push back on the shackle and remove the key. And what I want to do is pick it open so I can hang it with the key around the shackle on my padlock holder, I guess. Not sure what you would call that. Alright, so I don't think it's going to be too difficult because it's only a 5-pin lock, and the bitting doesn't look too terrible. Okay. Okay. Just want to protect the keyway. Yeah, I don't necessarily collect padlocks, but this is just one that I wanted, so I bought it. Okay, that'll work. I'm going to use a thin Peterson gem. See what I can accomplish here. Alright, wasn't too difficult. And now that it's opened, there's a spot for it. So now to close it back up or to lock it, I would have to push this in and then manually turn the plug. So I'm gonna hang up the keys. This is what they look like. The shorter version, not the longer one. And that's not the key code. I'm not sure what that is. And then it does have ball bearings in there and drain holes, but no way of taking this on or taking this off. I think it's stamped on there pretty good. Alright, just some lock eye candy, I guess. And I'll go right back there. And I guess that's it. I have another American lock here. I'm going to try and impression a key. I have a brass American AM3 blank that I'm going to try to impression for this. I've never done that before, so I'm not sure how that's going to come out, but we'll see. Thanks for watching, and happy picking.